はい、皆さんこんにちは。イガサビンゴハンドセラピー研究会代表の藤井です。はい、というわけで、メルボルンハンドリハブの、スタッフの方に教えてもらったスプリント第2弾ということで、サムホールカックアップですね。作り方を教えてもらいました。僕がちょっとやってるやり方と全然違って、非常に面白いなと。直接法じゃなくて型紙で作るやつなんですけど、これもですね、また結構サムホールサムスパイカーって意外と作るの難しいんですよね。この流れてるところとかが難しいので、ぜひちょっと今回の動画を見ていただいて作り方の参考にしてもらえたらと思います。今回動画提供してくださったフィリオンに感謝申し上げます。Thank you, Filion.
You want to make a half one, then you just make this half shorter. That's it. So like that, wrap around your thumb and wrap around your radial styloid. Is that how you make it? Do you want me to demonstrate that? If well, we just well, we have time. Why not? Oh, thank you. So we just make a full one then. Well, if you are including the older side, we use the putty, the therapy putty, to same thing. Yeah. For your right side. Make sure it's not cutting. So fold the edge around your thumb as well. Okay. And then put it back into the oven. And can I have you? Yeah, thank you. So, right under your IP joint, tap here, and right under your distal palmar crease. Voila. And ask the patient to gently make an okay. Yeah, can you make that okay for me? Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So. Once I'm done with the splints, I'm gonna chop this edge off so nothing is rubbing. Yeah, and strap here.
Yeah.
Okay, and then while it's still soft, wiggle it. Great, enough room? Yeah.
I usually insert mini ruler.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. And slide it off.
So fast. quickly.
Quickly and beautifully. Okay.
So just chop that off, make sure it's no
Mm-hmm.
edge digging.
Yeah.
And the same thing around here. Well, Harrison can often make his splint stand up.
Stand up? Ah, that's right.
I
Yeah,
never-
yeah. This is very difficult thing.
So that's the pattern.
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
So very YouTubers.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it.
Perfect. Oh, awesome.
Oh, good.
Okay.